Jason from Blue Weather, and this is your tropical update. Alright guys, looks like we're going to have another hurricane on our hands down in the Gulf. This is Tropical Storm Sally. You can see it's just off the coast of Florida, and it's expected to go right at the boot, if you want to call it, right there at Lake Pontchartrain in Mississippi area. Inside of that cone, anywhere inside that cone is a possibility, and then it'll curve to the right. That's from the National Hurricane Center. It's expected to be anywhere from a tropical storm to a Category 2. Right now, the National Hurricane Center is, saying at least a Cat 1. But that's not really what this is about. The last system that hit the Gulf was more about the wind. This one's more about the rain. And a lot of the models are showing it stalling out, which is going to cause a lot of rainfall down there. As you can see, this one shows a 957 millibar hurricane headed right towards Lake Pontchartrain. Same thing with this hurricane model, 957 millibar. This hurricane model showing 981, showing it just a little bit further east than the other two. Now let's talk about rainfall. This model here showing over 17 inches of rain. This one is showing over 14 inches of rain. This model here showing over 10.5 inches of rain. This model here showing over 12 inches of rain. This Navy model here is showing over 25 inches of rain. I have also heard that the Euro was shown over 30. So it was one of the original models showing a stall over the Gulf. So, anywhere from 10 to 30 inches is possible with this storm. So like I said, you guys need to prepare, pay attention. This would not be good if you're in flood-prone areas. You do not want to be there. Guys, you have a good one.